Hello everyone, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day. And I'm only pointing this CARA out. It actually looked a lot better when I decided I wanted to talk about it because it is pulled back quite a bit now. But the reason I do want to mention it is because we get the question many times. How can I use Trade Ideas for swing trading or for longer than just intraday trades? So you'll notice here that CARA, yesterday, there was a buy alert for CARA at 1550, and it did pull back a bit, but finally got out of the trade at 1663. So why I'm pointing this out is that you can see that CARA ended up pretty nicely at the end of the day, okay? And also, if you look at CARA on the daily chart, let me just bring in a daily chart. Just give me a moment here. Should have done this before. Sorry guys, I should have done this before. But let's take a look at a daily chart and you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so look at CARA on a daily chart. So when I looked left, I thought, man, okay, this has got room over here. 1825. Look where it stalled. Amazing, isn't it? Basically stalled right to almost to the penny right up here. But my bottom line was that, look, what I would do with the AI is that, put a price alert either at the high here, okay, of what it took at the high of yesterday. Put a price alert and see if today, again, we're thinking in the future. See if today, the next day, it had a continuation. And look what it did. I mean, it continued beautifully until it hit that high of that daily candle of a few days ago. So that's how, just put a price alert here. And then today, that's what I did. I put a price alert and I didn't take it right there. I took it a little bit later. But man, what a great move it had. I mean, that was straight up for 45 minutes. Fantastic. Before it pulled back because it stalled at that high. So that's a way in which I would use the AI. Those of you looking to take, wanting longer term trades, you can get out of the trade today, but keep an eye on it the next day and see if it continues. All right, I want to get back into the trading room, so I'll open the trading room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Promo is still on, 25% off. Take advantage of it. It'll end at the end of the month. So have a great evening, everybody.